How can I restore the white color of my cabinets if they have turned yellow?
Hello viewers. Today we're tackling a common problem that often bothers homeowners, yellowing cabinets. Over time, your pristine white cabinets may have turned yellow due to exposure to smoke, grease, or simply aging. But worry not. We'll show you how to restore the white color of your cabinets and make them look new again.
Why do cabinets turn yellow?
Understanding why cabinets turn yellow helps us figure out the best way to restore them. Over time, your cabinets may turn yellow due to factors such as sunlight exposure, usage of harsh cleaners, aging, or exposure to heat and grease if they're in your kitchen. Smoke, especially from cigarettes, is a major culprit too.
What will you need?
To restore your cabinets, you'll need the following. 1. Rubbing alcohol or degreaser, to clean the cabinets. 2. Sponge or cloth, for cleaning. 3. Primer, to prepare the cabinet surface for painting. 4. Paint, make sure it's suitable for cabinets. 5. Paintbrush or paint roller, for applying the paint. 6. Sandpaper, for smoothing the surfaces.
How to restore your cabinets?
Step 1. Clean the cabinets. Use rubbing alcohol or a degreaser to thoroughly clean the surfaces of your cabinets. This removes grease, dirt, and anything else that might interfere with the paint. Step 2. Sand the surfaces. Lightly sand the surfaces of your cabinets with sandpaper to create a better surface for the primer to adhere to. Wipe away any dust afterwards. Step 3. Apply primer. Once the cabinets are clean and dry, apply a coat of primer. The primer will help the paint stick better and also block any stains from showing through. Step 4. Paint the cabinets. After the primer has dried completely, you can now apply your paint. Choose a paint designed for cabinets for the best results. You may need more than one coat. Step 5. Dry and reassemble. Allow the cabinets to dry fully before you reassemble or use them. This could take anywhere from a few hours to a day, depending on the paint. Restoring your yellowed cabinets to their original white color may seem like a daunting task, but with a bit of patience and elbow grease, you can get great results. Not only will your cabinets look refreshed, but your entire space will feel brighter and cleaner too. Remember, the key to a successful cabinet restoration is thorough cleaning and prep before painting. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and we're looking forward to seeing your restored cabinets.